In this video, we will review working with both Scrum and Kanban teams in Monday Dev. First, let's ensure you have the appropriate templates set up in your workspace. By default, you'll see two Scrum teams already installed with the Monday Dev product. This can be adjusted either by removing Scrum teams if needed, which you can do by deleting the folder. And if you want to add additional Scrum teams, or in this case, another Kanban team, you can do that anytime by going to the plus button, add item to workspace, and select Kanban or Scrum, and that will install these folders that you can see below. If you use a product roadmap and you're looking to roll up information from both the Epic boards and the Scrum teams, as well as the backlog items in the Kanban team boards, you can achieve that by using the Connect Boards column on this product roadmap board. From the product roadmap, I'm already linking to both Epic and backlog boards for my Agile and Kanban teams. If, for example, I added another team, let's say this Kanban team 2, I can simply select additional boards within the settings of this column to include that information in my product roadmap. Utilizing the mirror functionality in monday.com, I can also make sure I'm rolling up or mirroring information from the various boards, such as status or anything else I want to track from the product roadmap. From the epics board in the Agile folders, I can link any new epics to the relevant items in my product roadmap using that Connect Boards column. And then I can create tasks and organize them into sprints on my respective tasks board. Here I'm going to create a new sprint for my team, define that timeline, and then move any tasks from the backlog in that same board into that relevant sprint. Once I've made the appropriate assignments, I can start the sprint and use tools found in Agile methodologies such as a burn down chart, as well as tracking such as story points, effort, and of course link these tasks to the relevant epic so that we can roll up that information into the product roadmap. In my Kanban boards, I can organize any work by priority in my backlog board and linking those items to any relevant product roadmap items. I can use that connection. When something is ready to start work, I can use this Move to Kanban button, which will create an item on the Kanban board. This displays a Kanban view, which I can use to visualize, as well as edit and move items between the various statuses. I can use the Kanban dashboard to review things such as lead time, work in progress items, and compare that against my team's work in progress limit. If I wish to do any reporting across both my Agile and Kanban teams, not only can I achieve that with some of the mirroring functionality within the product roadmap and that Connect Boards column, but I can also use our dashboard functionality across many boards. In this example, I've linked all of the Epic boards and Kanban boards into the singular dashboard. And then I can trend information together, such as grabbing the status across both the Kanban and Epic items between those boards, total story points if I'm tracking that across both Kanban items and Epics, a battery that similarly displays the percentage complete across all the statuses from both Kanbans and Epics, and a Gantt chart that allows me to show the different timelines across backlog items and epics. And that's a quick summary of using Kanban and Scrum together. There's of course a lot more to unlock here, but hopefully this gives a good overview of the functionality. Thanks so much for your time.